Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming which Apple ID is signed in on every device. This is the control point. Once done, open Settings, then FaceTime on each iPhone, iPad, or Mac and locate the active addresses and numbers. You should sign out immediately on any device you do not want ringing. If a device is shared, make sure to remove the linked phone number and uncheck reachable email addresses so calls stop routing there. Next, refine which contact points are active. You will disable specific phone numbers and emails from the FaceTime settings so only chosen addresses receive calls. Then, sign into Appleid. Apple. Com to view and remove devices from your account if you need a stronger break. This prevents reactivation. You can also turn FaceTime off entirely on a device if you won't use it. Make these changes on each device. Changes propagate, but verify. To finish, restart every device to ensure FaceTime updates take effect. After rebooting, check FaceTime settings again and confirm your caller ID matches the one device you want active. If calls still arrive on unwanted devices, sign out of FaceTime on those devices, reboot them, and sign back in only where necessary. This clears cached registration. If that fails, remove the device from your Apple ID and contact Apple support for account-level deactivation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.